What's up, guys? I got a Baja 150 2007. It's all apart right now. All the plastics I took off them and I repainted them. I'll show you. I'm doing the monster themed graphics, whatever. You can't. I'll see. That's the front of it. All the plastics are right there, all over the place. This is the front of it. Fuel filter. Air filter, I mean. I don't know what that is. Yeah. It sounds like it want to start, but it don't. I started yesterday, I routed around, it was fine. But as soon as I turned it off, it didn't start again. I'm thinking it's most likely the spark, but I don't know. I changed it. I put a new CDI into it, new spark plug coil thing, and new carburetor in it. This bike, it doesn't have that much miles on it either. Here, I'll show you. That's already on. Okay. I'll show you. Steam spark plug. You see, plugged it in over there. Plug it in correctly. Okay, the only thing I don't know where it ever goes is this that comes from the cylinder head. I don't know where that goes. And I don't know if this is connected right. This is the fuel line. It's connected to, though I switched it out right now, but it was connected to this one. And whatever this one leads, the one that splits, goes in that one, and that one, and this one. This one right here. This one right here that goes over here somewhere. When I took off all the plastics, this thing was hanging like this. I duct taped to it, but I don't remember where I took off that thing. So I don't know where this one goes either. Yeah, I don't know where this one goes, but I connected everything right. New spark plug. Let's see how it's not gonna start. You just hear it. So I don't know what's wrong with it, guys. Here, I'll do it again.